Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to add opening balances in Zoho Books, which is really helpful when you're starting fresh with your accounts or migrating data. First, go to Settings in the top right corner and select Opening Balances under the Organization section. Set the opening balance date, then choose whether you want to import balances for accounts receivable or accounts payable. Click Import and upload your file containing your customers' or vendors' balances. You can download the sample files Zoho provides to make sure your data is formatted correctly. After uploading, map the fields from your file to Zoho Books. Click Next, and your opening balances will be imported automatically. Alternatively, if you're importing customers or vendors for the first time, you can include their opening balances in the same import file. Go to Sales, Customers, or Purchases, Vendors, click the More icon, choose Import, upload your file with balances, map the fields, and finish the import. This saves time by combining everything in one step. You can also add opening balances individually. When creating a new customer or vendor, fill in the details and enter the opening balance in the Other Details section. Then click Save. For existing customers or vendors, open their profile, go to the Receivables or Payable section, click Enter Opening Balance, type in the amount, and save. You can also update the opening balance later by clicking View Opening Balance. And that's it. Your opening balances are now set up in Zoho Books and reflected in the customer or vendor overview. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Zoho Books tips.